Futuristic electric bikes are revolutionizing urban transportation, integrating advanced technology with stylish design for an unmatched riding experience. These innovative bikes offer a glimpse into the future of personal mobility, combining efficiency and elegance. Welcome back to our channel. Let's take a look into the list of top 5 amazing electric bikes in the world 2024. Before we start, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming videos. Let's begin. Number 5. Land Moto District. Introducing the Land Moto District, a versatile electric e-moto that combines the agility of an e-bike, the convenience of an e-moped, and the power of an e-motorcycle. Designed for urban commuting and off-road adventures alike, it features a waterproof backlit LCD display for easy gauge readouts. With a range of 40 to 120 miles at a top speed of 70 miles per hour, it offers impressive performance. Its swappable battery system ensures uninterrupted rides, while its two styles, the Scrambler for off-roading and the Street for city use, cater to diverse preferences. Price is starting at $6,995, making the Land Moto District an accessible option for e-conscious riders seeking style and performance. Number 4. Maeving RM1S. British electric motorcycle manufacturer Maeving is set to launch its flagship MR1S in the US, priced at $7,500. The RM1S boasts improved performance with a more powerful motor and dual batteries, offering 14 horsepower output from a rear-wheel mounted hub motor. Equipped with two high-capacity 2.7 kWh batteries, it can be charged on board or by removing the batteries, with the full charge taking 6 hours for both batteries and 4 hours to reach 80%. Featuring retro style and modern details like a sleek fuel tank with storage, round headlamp, chromium molybdenum frame, 19-inch spoke wheels, and bobber seat, the RM1S combines classic aesthetics with contemporary functionality. Number 3. NAXEON IM. A design that defines tomorrow. NAXEON IM is not just a mode of transportation, it is a design masterpiece. Featuring state-of-the-art technology to keep you connected and safe on the road, IM's aesthetics have been developed to create an unprecedented statement in urban mobility. Essential, futuristic, and bold, it is a work of art where every line and curve have been meticulously crafted for maximum aerodynamics and visual appeal. From its impressive 120 km/h maximum speed in boost mode to its lightning-fast acceleration from 0 to 50 km/h in just 2.8 seconds, NAXEON IM redefines performance. Equipped with front and rear dual cameras, the dashcam automatically records video segments every 3 minutes, capturing the highlights of the rides, priced up to $6,000. Number 2. Ryvid Anthem. The Ryvid Anthem revolutionizes urban commuting with its sleek design and impressive performance, offering riders a cost-effective and environmentally friendly alternative. With a top speed of 84 miles per hour and a range of 75 miles per charge, it ensures thrilling rides for daily commuting or leisurely outings. Featuring a ride height adjustable seat and a high visibility 4.9-inch display, the Anthem prioritizes comfort and safety. Its removable 4.3 kWh battery with integrated fast charging makes recharging a breeze, while it's available in 6 vibrant colorways adds a touch of personalization. Priced at $6,495, the Anthem is set to attract a wide range of riders seeking an electrifying experience on 2 wheels. Number 1. Super73 C1X. Super73, renowned for its electric bikes, ventures into the realm of electric motorcycles with its collaboration with Roland Sands Design and Indian Motorcycle, introducing the C1X. Reflecting the brand's signature funky design ethos, the C1X combines minimalistic features with innovative technology, including fast-charging technology, enabling a 10 to 80% charge in under 15 minutes, providing approximately 70 miles of riding range. Sporting LED headlamps with DRL, a circular data dashboard, disc brakes, and LED indicators, the C1X offers a top speed of 85 plus miles per hour and a maximum range of 100 plus miles, promising an exciting and efficient electric riding experience. So, there you have it, the top 5 amazing electric bikes in the world 2024. Which electric bike do you like? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.